Welcome to the wonders of space, where the most mysterious and extreme worlds exist beyond our imagination. When we think of planets, we often picture a place like Earth, lush forests, vast oceans, and a protective atmosphere. But out there, scattered across the cosmos, are planets so hostile, so deadly, that no human could ever survive even for a second. Today, we're diving into some of the most dangerous planets in the universe. Let's begin our journey. Imagine a world where the oceans are made of molten lava, the winds reach supersonic speeds, and it rains rocks. That's K2-1041b, an exoplanet located about 202 light-years from Earth. This planet is tidally locked, meaning one side always faces its star, while the other remains in eternal darkness. On the scorching hot side, temperatures can reach over 3,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to vaporize rocks. The atmosphere is made of silicon and metal vapors. These vapors rise, condense in the upper atmosphere, and then fall as literal rock rain. It's a planet where the weather forecast predicts a fiery downpour every single day. On the dark side, temperatures plummet to 200 degrees Celsius, creating a massive temperature contrast. This difference in heat drives supersonic winds that can reach speeds of 5,000 km/h, far faster than any storm on Earth. If you were standing on the surface, you wouldn't last a fraction of a second before being vaporized or shattered by the extreme winds. Now let's travel 41 light-years away to 55 Cancri A, a planet that is twice the size of Earth but far more hostile. It's often called a diamond planet, because scientists believe its interior is rich in carbon, forming an entire crust of diamond under immense pressure. However, this wealth comes with a price. The surface temperature exceeds 2,400 degrees Celsius, meaning that any object would instantly burst into flames. The planet is so close to its star that a year here lasts just 18 hours. The intense radiation and heat have created a thick, toxic atmosphere made of carbon monoxide and superheated hydrogen. If you were to step onto this planet, your body would be instantly crushed by the intense gravity, burned by the extreme heat, and poisoned by the deadly air. There is no chance of survival, only destruction. Next, we visit HD 1189733b, a gas giant located 64 light-years away. At first glance, it might look like a beautiful blue planet, similar to Earth. But don't be fooled. This world is nothing like home. The deep blue color comes from high clouds filled with silicate particles. Instead of water, this planet experiences glass rain, tiny shards of glass that fall sideways at over 8,000 km/h due to the planet's ferocious winds. The atmosphere is rich in scorching hot gases, with temperatures reaching 1,000 degrees Celsius. Any spacecraft attempting to land would be shredded to pieces by the sharp glass particles flying at extreme speeds. This planet is truly a nightmare. Gliese 436b is an exoplanet that defies the laws of physics. Located 30 light-years away, it is covered in burning ice. Yes, ice that is on fire. The planet's gravity is so strong that water remains in solid form despite surface temperatures reaching 439 degrees Celsius. This happens because the pressure is so intense that water molecules are squeezed into a solid state, even though they should be vaporized at such high temperatures. If you were to set foot here, you would be standing on burning ice, slowly sinking into its fiery depths, with no chance of escape. WASP-12b is one of the darkest planets ever discovered. It is a gas giant orbiting dangerously close to its star, so close that it is literally being torn apart. The planet absorbs almost all light that hits it, making it appear as black as coal. Temperatures soar above 2,500 degrees Celsius, and its atmosphere is filled with toxic gases. Over time, this planet is being pulled apart by its star's gravity, slowly dissolving into space. In a few million years, it will completely vanish. If you were floating in space near WASP-12b, you would see a massive planet being devoured in real time, a terrifying reminder of how cruel the universe can be. Let's visit a truly bizarre planet orbiting a pulsar. a dead star that emits powerful radiation beams. This planet, PSR B1257+12c, exists in one of the most extreme environments in the universe. Pulsars are highly magnetized, rapidly rotating remnants of supernova explosions. The radiation from the pulsar bombards this planet with deadly electromagnetic waves, creating a world filled with intense electric storms. Any spacecraft approaching this planet would be fried instantly. Radiation levels here are millions of times stronger than Earth's, making it one of the most uninhabitable places in existence. Finally, we arrive at J1407b, a planet with the largest ring system ever discovered. This gas giant has rings 200 times larger than Saturn's, stretching across hundreds of thousands of kilometers. J1407b experiences gravity so intense that its moons are constantly being destroyed and reformed. The rings are made of massive rock and ice chunks, some as big as mountains, colliding at incredible speeds. Standing here, you would witness the most chaotic and violent ring system in the universe, where destruction never stops and the landscape is constantly changing. The universe is filled with wonders, but also with nightmares beyond our wildest imagination. These planets are extreme, deadly, and completely uninhabitable, but they also reveal the incredible diversity of the cosmos. As we continue exploring, who knows what new horrors we will discover? Perhaps even more dangerous worlds are waiting to be found, lurking in the depths of space. Thanks for joining this journey into the most dangerous planets in the universe. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more cosmic wonders with us. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.